hard-pressed consumers in South Africa. There was good news on the inflation front, followed by an interest rate cut by the Reserve Bank yesterday. The first time that interest rates have been reduced in many years.
For a change, a good week on the economic front. First, news that inflation continues to fall, coming in at 5.1% last month. That boosted hopes of an interest rate cut by the Reserve Bank. And it finally came yesterday. The 25 basis point cut has been cheered by the financial markets.
The equity market, particularly companies that benefit from lower interest rates, like retailers, banks, they've done very, very nicely. Yesterday, the retailers up probably about 3% on average, particularly the likes of Truworths, Foschini Group looking very, very strong. And obviously Mr. Price. The banks also looking a little bit better, not quite as convincing, and that momentum continued today. So the equity market generally has taken it well.
While welcoming the interest rate reduction, many, including Trade Union Federation COSATU, say it's too little. But Kono says the most important thing is that it sends a good signal about the future of interest rates in the country.
It sends a clear signal that the tightening cycle, which has been alluded to for a while, has ended, and this is the first of the cuts. The Reserve Bank, because they're so measured and so guarded in terms of their independence and not being affected by politics, the fact that they've moved on rates sends a strong signal that this is their mindset going forward.
The rate cut will no doubt bring much needed relief to indebted consumers, but on its own may not be enough to give the struggling economy a major boost.
So yes, this is good news, but it can't unfortunately offset the let's call it the policy malaise and the poor consumer sentiment and the poor business confidence that unfortunately persists in the country at the moment.
The rate cut, together with falling inflation, should help improve the general mood among consumers in the country. Mbongeni Muchwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.